I go to school.
I go to school.
We go to the cinema.
We go to the cinema.
Do you often go for a walk?
Do you often go for a walk?
He says nothing.
He says nothing.
They say it is important.
They say it is important.
I see the bird.
I see the bird.
Do you see the moon?
Do you see the moon?
We see the movie.
We see the movie.
He knows the answer.
He knows the answer.
Do you know that?
Do you know that?
We know everything.
We know everything.
She understands the lesson.
She understands the lesson.
Do you understand me?
Do you understand me?
I give you the book.
I give you the book.
We give our best.
We give our best.
They like to give gifts.
They like to give gifts.
He takes the bus.
He takes the bus.
Do you take medication regularly?
Do you take medication regularly?
I take a book from the shelf.
I take a book from the shelf.
She receives a letter.
She receives a letter.
We receive guests today.
We receive guests today.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
Do you like to eat pizza?
Do you like to eat pizza?
They eat together.
They eat together.
He drinks water.
He drinks water.
Do you drink coffee?
Do you drink coffee?
We drink tea.
We drink tea.
She tastes sweet.
She tastes sweet.
Does the food taste good?
Does the food taste good?
She reads a book.
She reads a book.
We like to read.
We like to read.
I write a letter.
I write a letter.
Do you write an email?
Do you write an email?
They write stories.
They write stories.
He draws a picture.
He draws a picture.
Do you draw often?
Do you draw often?
He speaks English.
He speaks English.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
We speak quietly.
We speak quietly.
She learns French.
She learns French.
Do you learn a lot?
Do you learn a lot?
We learn together.
We learn together.
He asks a question.
He asks a question.
Do you ask for help?
Do you ask for help?
They ask for directions.
They ask for directions.
He works in the office.
He works in the office.
They work hard.
They work hard.
She tries her best.
She tries her best.
Do you try new things?
Do you try new things?
We finish the project.
We finish the project.
Did you finish your homework?
Did you finish your homework?
I sleep 8 hours.
I sleep 8 hours.
Do you sleep well?
Do you sleep well?
He rests after work.
He rests after work.
Do you rest on weekends?
Do you rest on weekends?
She buys a dress.
She buys a dress.
Do you buy bread?
Do you buy bread?
We buy fruit.
We buy fruit.
He sells his car.
He sells his car.
They sell vegetables.
They sell vegetables.
I own a bike.
I own a bike.
Do you own a house?
Do you own a house?
I live in Berlin.
I live in Berlin.
Do you live alone?
Do you live alone?
They live happily.
They live happily.
He loves his family.
He loves his family.
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
We love nature.
We love nature.
She hates lies.
She hates lies.
Do you hate rain?
Do you hate rain?
They hate war.
They hate war.
I hear music.
I hear music.
Do you hear the noise?
Do you hear the noise?
We listen to the radio.
We listen to the radio.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Do you listen to podcasts?
The flowers smell good.
The flowers smell good.
We smell the scent.
We smell the scent.
I feel pain.
I feel pain.
Do you feel the cold?
Do you feel the cold?
They feel happy.
They feel happy.
He stands at the door.
He stands at the door.
Do you stand here?
Do you stand here?
They stand in line.
They stand in line.
The cat lies on the sofa.
The cat lies on the sofa.
She lies in bed.
She lies in bed.
He runs fast.
He runs fast.
Do you run every morning?
Do you run every morning?
We run in the park.
We run in the park.
She dances at the party.
She dances at the party.
Do you like to dance?
Do you like to dance?
He sings a song.
He sings a song.
We sing together.
We sing together.
She wins the game.
She wins the game.
Do you win often?
Do you win often?
We win the prize.
We win the prize.
He loses his glasses.
He loses his glasses.
Do you lose the game?
Do you lose the game?
They do not like to lose.
They do not like to lose.
I think of you.
I think of you.
We think positively.
We think positively.
I remember you.
I remember you.
Do you remember the time?
Do you remember the time?
He forgets the keys.
He forgets the keys.
Do you forget my name?
Do you forget my name?
We never forget.
We never forget.
She cooks dinner.
She cooks dinner.
Do you like to cook?
Do you like to cook?
We cook together.
We cook together.
He helps his friend.
He helps his friend.
We help the children.
We help the children.
She washes the car.
She washes the car.
Do you wash your hands?
Do you wash your hands?
We wash the laundry.
We wash the laundry.
He wears a hat.
He wears a hat.
They wear new clothes.
They wear new clothes.
She puts on makeup.
She puts on makeup.
Do you put on sunscreen?
Do you put on sunscreen?
The bird flies in the sky.
The bird flies in the sky.
We fly to the coast every summer.
We fly to the coast every summer.
He drives carefully.
He drives carefully.
Do you drive to work?
Do you drive to work?
She swims in the lake.
She swims in the lake.
Do you like to swim?
Do you like to swim?
He wants an ice cream.
He wants an ice cream.
Do you want to come along?
Do you want to come along?
We want to go home.
We want to go home.
She needs water.
She needs water.
Do you need help?
Do you need help?
She believes in miracles.
She believes in miracles.
We believe in you.
We believe in you.
I have a house.
I have a house.
She has many books.
She has many books.
He creates art.
He creates art.
Do you create music?
Do you create music?
She explains the rule.
She explains the rule.
Can you explain this?
Can you explain this?
They decide to leave.
They decide to leave.
Did you decide yet?
Did you decide yet?
We promise to help.
We promise to help.
Do you promise?
Do you promise?